The important thing though, it's not the, I guess, the gross income or 100K, it's what your margins are. And for me, and it's very useful using Jonah's software, the whole Microgreens IQ and the Copilot, it shows you your margins on each individual crop. So I average approximately 78%
Wow.
margins. So every dollar I put in, I get $1.78 back.
That's incredible.
It's very good. And there are 3 crops which carry that for me. Sunflowers are about 88%.
Wow.
Gross margins. Pea shoots about 86%. And the third one is pink radish.
Interesting.
Surprisingly,
Yeah.
the 4 that you saw over there,
Yeah.
we can show you soon. Those 3 are the highest profitability crops that I have. And because people don't always just want to buy sunflowers, peas and radish in containers here, they don't seem to do very well, they become the base for all my mixes. So I've got 3 different mixes. I've got rainbow mix, where the sunflower makes up 65% of it. I've got the detox mix, and the pea shoot makes up 65% of the detox. And then I've got the old favorite, the spicy salad mix, which everybody should have a spicy salad mix. It's a microgreen staple.
Totally.
That's the pink radish. Maybe you guys call it rainbow radish in some places. I'm not sure if that's the purple one.
Rainbow's usually the purple one.
Oh, okay.
There's different names for the
We
pink
call
one.
that purple radish.
Yeah.
But
It's more purple than red, that's for sure. Yeah.
But so embedding those 3 highly profitable crops in the foundation of my supermarket sales is definitely contributing to the overall high margins that my farm's seeing. So
Totally.
Yeah.
And I think it's like sometimes people are just kind of guessing what their margins are and guessing like what crops are bringing in the most amount of money.
need to know.
But so whether you use Microgreens IQ or you build your own spreadsheet, whatever it is, every microgreens farm, when you're just starting out, or a large scale farm, should know their numbers. Like this is something I see people love growing microgreens, but they don't know their numbers. So either use a software or you build your own spreadsheet, something so that you know, because by doing that, it allows you to build the mixes with the most profitable crops and actually make more money with all the same amount of work. You're not doing more work. You're just picking the right crops.
Just optimizing.
Exactly. And that's how you get to build a business that's that profitable, do it 20 hours a week or less, and just and then get to tinker around with all this other fun stuff you get to do. You know, like it's you have a really good lifestyle here, which I as someone that worked really hard to build my farm, like I appreciate what you're building here.